Hello, YouTube friends and family. It's Memorial Day. This is going to be another filming day. I still haven't posted all the videos from last week. I think I'm 3 down, 2 more to go. So check out my last hauls. Plus I threw in a bonus one, 57% off groceries. By the time you see this, it might be a little bit too late for that deal. However, this deal I'm bringing you right now, this is good until sometime in June. Can't remember when, but sometime in June. So you got time for this deal. And it is full of prepping supplies and things that we need in our home. And some of it's cheaper than the Dollar Tree too. So stay tuned. It's a short one. I only spent $25. But this is stuff that you may need in your home. So pay attention, okay? I have Harbor Freight. They're doing their Dollar Days sale. If you go to their website, pull up their coupons. You will have to scan the coupon at the register and, of course, find the items. Okay, everything's in there. And I did find these items. I went through the coupons and was like, oh, yeah, I can use that. Oh, yeah, I need that. Let me get my thumbnail. Yes, Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight, you can get garden supplies out of there. Even though things you may not think is garden supplies, you can use them in the garden. So I have a little bit of that too, okay? So this is the first thing. This is a pry bar. Prying pallets are loose to build other garden projects. Prying pallets are loose to build other garden projects. 12-inch pry bar, $3. The next thing, I bought 2 of these because this was a real good deal. I made progress on my patio. If you caught my short, about a month ago, I started back cleaning it again. I'm getting some organization. I'm taking inventory and realizing that I'm all set for the garden season. I'm putting up stuff from last year. I felt so bad. I found some seed potatoes that I never planted. I found some gladiola bulbs. I'm gonna throw them in the ground anyway, see if they come up along with some fresh ones. You just never know. They might still come up, but I'm gonna make sure I plant the fresh ones ASAP because I'm not letting that happen again. That was a big waste of money. So I am taking inventory, cleaning out stuff. I also found hummingbird food with the red dye in it. That went to the trash. I found some moldy bird seed. That went to the trash, but I found some that look okay. So if you know in the comments, tell me if birds eat stale food. I don't know. I might put it out for them anyway. I'm trying to make that decision. So somebody answer me in the comments. I think I bought the food last year. And it's been on the untemperature controlled porch. So is it still good? Let me know in the comments. But we got these shop towels. These shop towels were $2.29 and you get 60 of them. So this is for me to scrub down the back porch, clean the window sills, all that stuff. So I bought 2 of those. And then I'm going to do that with some super clean and scrub everything down. And the packaging tape. So you get all 3 of these. They're decently sizable rolls for $4. So I did grab this. I can always use packing tape. In my eBay store, it's TLG, something like that. I have an eBay store. Go buy some. I think it's TLG. No, I forgot the name of it. Child. Bear with me. It's 11 o'clock at night, but I'm going to get these videos done and I'm going to get this stuff put away before I go to bed. This is my mission tonight. So y'all bear with me. Watch till the end, please. It's going to be a short one. Then, so that packing tape was $4. Again, you have to scan the coupon. So, boom. Remember, I bought wood. I've been picking up wood for free. Some of that wood's going to need to be split. I'm hoping my son can split it with a hatchet instead of me buying a whole axe. And this one but $7 for this axe or this hatchet or whatever it is. But it's $7. And it might be something I can handle too in the event that I need to. Okay? And this is the last thing. See, quick haul. 5 minutes. But y'all need to check out that Dollar Days and see what you need. Because it's about, 50, 60 coupons that you might see something that you need. So do not miss Harbor Freight Dollar Days. They have some bigger casters than this for $3 each. But these casters were $1 each. Cheaper than the Dollar Tree. And you can actually make your own pot rollers with this if you want to. And make them any size you want them. I'm considering getting like a plastic something and make my own green stock tower roller caster base instead of paying them $40 for one. I need to see, can I make my own green stock roller caster base? Okay. So, unless they want to send me one for free, that might be a good thing. But until then, I do have these in my stockpile for a garden project. Hopefully that will be the project. So, that's it. That's it for the Harbor Freight haul. Short, sweet, and simple. But I do encourage you to check out the Dollar Days and see if it's something you need to add to your stockpile, preps, tool chest, whatever it may be. And again, I thank you for watching. I love you to life. As always, prep and pray and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Bye-bye.